This video we will show you how a solenoid valve is working for reversing the system, because this is most important component in the heating as well as cooling mode refrigeration system. Many type of valves are used in refrigeration system to control the flow of refrigeration in the system. So the refrigerant is flowing through various pipes in the system, normally copper pipes of different diameter. They are coming on the basis of internal diameter. So this is 3 by 8 inch diameter copper tube. So normally they are connected here by using different connectors like this. So by threading we can connect them, and if we want to change the diameter of tube, then brazing or gas welding is done to avoid any leakage. Another connector this side. So this is a simple connector. Likewise, many connectors can be made. Now the flow of refrigerant, as you can see, the arrow mark shows the direction of flow in the system. Always it has to be keep in mind this arrow. So the refrigerant will enter from this side and exit from this side, and will be connected by appropriate connector. So this is a manually operated valve. If we open this valve, the flow will begin. If we close this valve, flow will stop by opening or closing this. So opening and closing. So there is a plunger inside this, and a seat and plunger arrangement stops the refrigerant flow. Now if the same thing is interchanged or completely changed by an electrically operated valve, then it will become a solenoid valve. Like this. There is no much difference, but this manually operated spindle and seat arrangement is modified by a electrically operated switch. Now we will open this and see how the solenoid valve, the same solenoid valve is here. So if we remove the upper cover, we can see the plunger. This plunger get energized by the solenoid valve. There is a coil inside this, and it gets energized when we give power supply to this. As you can see, 220 volt, and it is of certain current rating. So if we give power to this solenoid valve, then valve will open. In normal condition it remains always closed. It will open or allow the flow of refrigerant only when power supply is given. Now come to the main point. This is solenoid valve. So the solenoid and the plunger inside this barrel. As you can see, one port connected at the bottom here by gas welding, and 3 pipes are coming out. In cooling mode or heating mode, this input connection which is coming from the compressor will remain the common. This is pipe which is coming from the compressor. Refrigerant in gaseous form, high pressure and high temperature coming here. Then according to the selection of cycle, heating or cooling mode, these ports 1, 2, 3 will behave. In cooling mode, the discharge line connected here, it goes through this pipe and connected to the condenser, and this is common again for the suction line. And in second case, means in heating mode, this discharge pipe will disconnect this and connect with this, and this will go to the evaporator side, and evaporator will work as condenser in heating mode, and the suction pipe is always common. So this is the function of solenoid valve.